Okay, so guys, to create the template, I think you remember we have to create one file here called template.py. Okay, inside that we'll be writing the Python logic. And I think you remember we created one project called end-to-end WAN quality prediction. So there also we created the template.py. So let me open it up. And whatever code I have written, so I'll just try to copy. So make sure guys you check that implementation, because I'll be utilizing the same technology here. Then I'll be pasting it here, because I already told you there, na? So project folder structure is not a fixed. You can use any kinds of folder structure. It's up to you. Okay. So here I usually follow this structure whenever I implement any kinds of end-to-end projects. I'll also tell you some more project folder structure you can follow whenever we'll be implementing advanced kinds of project. That time I may also use any other template as well. Okay. As of now, just try to use the same template. Now here, instead of giving ML project, I'll give CNN classifier. You can also give chicken disease, but I'll share this project as a template. Okay, so that you can use this template in your every project. That's why I've given CNN classifier, because it will become one classification project, right? That's why you can give any name here. It's up to you. Now here, I don't need this schema file because this is the ML project file. Okay, I don't need it. Then I'll also try to remove this test.py. It's not required. Then I think you remember we also need to do CI/CD deployment. For this, I need this folder actually, .github/workflows. Inside that, I have to create one file called CI/CD.yaml. But as of now, I'm not going to create the file. As of now, I'll create one file called .gitkeep. Okay, because I can't create the empty folder. Okay, inside that I should have some file. That's why I'm creating this. And going forward, whenever I'll create that CI/CD.yaml, I'll try to remove it. So I think yes. So these are the file actually I need. Again, I'm going to use Flask here. That's why I need this template actually folder. Inside that, index.html. All right, so as of now, these are the folders and file I need. If I need anything else, I'll just try to create later on. Now what I have to do, I have to execute this file. So Python template.py. Now left hand side, you will see that it will automatically create the template for you. Okay, see, all the files and folder has been created successfully. Got it? See, you can also verify whether everything is created or not. Now let's do the commit. So you can also commit the changes from your git bash. So for this, just write git add. Now git commit -m folder structure added. Then git push origin main. Done. Now if I go back to my GitHub, you'll see that my folder structure has been added. Okay, so now let's do the project requirement setup. That means we'll be setting all the package actually I need to implement the entire project. So let's start with the setup.